Would you like to know what a requirements traceability matrix is? It is a table that gives all the specific information about the requirement from the beginning to the end to give us a confidence that this deliverable has been delivered. It includes key information like a unique identifier and what that requirement is, the description of that requirement, and where that came from. What is the business need for doing that? The work breakdown structure. The requirement cannot be delivered in one go, so it gets split into uh, it gets broken down, and you can have specific identifiers for the work breakdown structure. What Whether it has completed design, whether it has completed development, what are the test cases? Usually, test cases are very important. They are the ones which make sure that each part of that requirement has been tested or not. We could make it as acceptance criteria also, or the specific test cases. Usually, we find the test cases that are mentioned. Each test case would have an identifier and it will have the set of test cases that have been executed and the final status, whether it has been approved, whether it has been designed, developed, implemented, deployed to production, the final status of that requirement. So every requirement will have one line in the requirement traceability metrics. These days, we have tools that we use. We have the Azure DevOps tool or Jira, or many other tools where we can capture this. But earlier, it was just an Excel sheet with all these information in the form of columns. So, in short, requirement traceability matrix is a matrix that helps us to trace every requirement from beginning to the end. Whatever we want to know about that requirement, we'll be able to find that in the requirement traceability matrix, very key artifact in the project management. Thank you.